Si San Anton Lagdameo, huwag niya dalhin ang kanyang problema at kanyang interest dito sa Sultan Kudarat Province. He has done a lot of mess in Maguindanao and in Bar. Huwag niya idamay na Sultan Kudarat. Huwag niya idamay ang mga peace-loving constituents natin dito na ang gusto lang ay magkaroon ng Sultan Kudarat na tunay, na top-performing and competitive. Yun na naman ang aking gusto dito. That we showcase genuine and sincere love and services to the Filipino people. Kaya, if I were to give an advice, sana talaga, we are calling for the resignation of San Anton Lagdameo. I hope that he stops interfering in elections. Dahil sinabi ng Pangulo, magkakaroon ng honest and credible elections. I hope that SAP will stop harassing the mayors. Kasi hindi yan ang pag-uugali na isang bagong Pilipino. Nagtakutin mo ang ating mga mayors.